Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the things we do at Moneyline. We also trade cryptocurrency, which is one of our major business. So in this video, I'm going to flip a $10 account to $20 in 24 hours. So follow me in this journey and see how this crypto trading works for some of you that don't know how it works, and then for those people that understand the trade, let's share ideas together in the comment section. The crypto or the coin that I'm trading at this moment is called DOT. I'm using DOT slash USDT, and also using a leverage of 20, and my margin is $10.58, and the risk share is 6.31%. So my take profit here is at $4. I expect this trade to hit $4, and my stop loss, I'll put it at 4.10. So if this trade should go against me, I'm willing to lose 35 cents. So let's confirm that. So if this trade should go in my favor, I'll make extra $2 in the first trade. So I believe this trade will go down to $4 and hit the take profit point. Currently I'm at a 4% profit, which is still fluctuating. So that is 20 cents so far. So I expect to make $2.2 profit in this trade. Let's check out the candles. What made me think that this trade will hit a $4 in the next 24 hours? So earlier in the day, I think this was yesterday by around 5 p.m. West African time. Yesterday the trade dropped to 4.013. So, and it's still coming down. I expect this trade, and also see this trade coming down to 3.99 at the end of today, or maybe early tomorrow morning around 4 a.m. This trade should hit 3.99, or if not, by the time London trade open tomorrow, which will be around that 9 a.m. West African time or London time, I expect this trade to drop at this level, and when it drop to this level 3.99 to $4, I will take a long trade for around $8, because that is the support, a strong support at 3.99 and $4. So when I take the long trade at $4, my take profit will be at 4.2. That will be in the next 48 hours. So I believe that by that time I'll be able to flip this $10 margin to $20 at the end of the day. So follow me in this journey, and let's see how this works out. So I will also update you later tomorrow morning on how this trade is going, if I'm able to make some profit or not. So whatever the result is, I will share with you in this channel. For those people that are interested in learning how to trade cryptocurrency, and also how to trade forex, I can also share with you my knowledge. So I will create a separate Telegram channel aside from the betting channel for this only, so that you can join and let's share ideas together. And also I've also designed a course on how to trade cryptocurrency from A to Z. So if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency professionally, I'll also teach you and then share you the material that I have and also my experience in the past 5 years. So let's see how this very trade is going. So I'll come back tomorrow morning and share you the video of this trade, so that you see if I'm able to make some profit or not. Thank you for staying tuned. I also should be creating some tutorial videos on how to trade cryptocurrency in this channel. Thank you once again, and see you in our next video.